Hey there, motorcycle enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting to talk about, the 2023 Honda XR150L. This versatile and rugged bike has been creating a buzz in the adventure and off-road biking community. So, let's dive right into what makes this model stand out. The 2023 XR150L retains the classic and robust Honda design. It's a dual-sport bike, which means it's at home both on and off the road. With a high ground clearance, sleek lines, and sharp styling, it's ready for your urban commute and weekend adventures. Under the hood, or should I say, under the tank, we've got a 149 2cc, air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. This engine is known for its reliability, making it a fantastic choice for those who like to put their bikes through tough terrain. It's paired with a 5-speed transmission, giving you power where you need it. Now, let's talk performance. The XR150L comes with a 31mm telescopic front fork offering 7.1 inches of travel, as well as a single rear shock offering 5.9 inches of travel that soaks up bumps and provides a comfortable ride. Whether you're on a smooth highway or a rocky trail, this bike handles it with ease. Braking duties are performed by a single hydraulic front brake caliper paired with a 240mm brake disc and a 110mm drum brake in the rear. The front wheel is a 19-inch spoke unit up front, with a 17-inch spoke unit in the rear. When it comes to features, the XR150L keeps it simple but effective. The simple instrument cluster provides all the necessary information, including a trip meter, fuel gauge, and more. Plus, it's street legal with lights, signals, and mirrors. One of the most exciting aspects of the XR150L is its off-road capability. With its lightweight design and durable construction, you can take it on trails, dirt roads, and rocky paths. It's a true adventure companion, allowing you to explore the great outdoors with confidence. For those of you concerned about fuel efficiency, the XR150L offers impressive miles per gallon. Honda has designed this bike to be not only powerful but also economical, making it an excellent choice for both commuting and adventure touring. In conclusion, the 2023 Honda XR150L is a reliable, versatile, and capable dual-sport motorcycle that's ready to take you on your next adventure. It's well suited to around-town jaunts, scenic backroads, and casual off-road riding. If you're in the market for a sporty, versatile, and capable motorcycle, the XR150L should be on your radar. Thanks for joining us on this journey to explore the 2023 Honda XR150L. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content about motorcycles and other two-wheeled adventures, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. As always, ride safe, and we'll catch you in the next video. See you out on the open road.